The horizontal type tool is used to type text, words and paragraphs, and it will happen in horizontal direction. You have to select the horizontal type tool from the toolbox. You can use the options bar to customize the tool settings like the font style, font size, text color, etc. And then you can click on top of your file and start typing. The vertical type tool is used to type in vertical direction. You can type text or paragraph. In the toolbox, select the vertical type tool. In the options bar, see to it that you change the font style, color and size according to your requirement, and then you can click on the image and you can start typing. The type mask tool permits you to cut letters out of a background. The horizontal type mask tool is utilized to mask the background picture into the text typed horizontally. With the vertical type mask tool, you can mask the background picture into text typed vertically. Here I am going to use gradient tool and fill gradient inside the type mask.